A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the Department of Polymer and Process Engineering, IIT Roorkee. We have developed one new green technology in our laboratory. Basically, it runs on the principle of electrodialysis process. In short, EED process. EED process consists of one electrode cell pair, one ion exchange membrane, gaskets, pressure, two pumps, one DC power source and two different electrolyte, one for anode feed and another one for cathode feed separately. Here we are going to produce caustic soda from green liquor, neglecting the conventional method which uses the lime. The byproduct of the conventional process is lime mud, which is harmful for the environment, and simultaneously this conventional process consumes large amount of electricity and consisting of large number of handling units too. Such type of green liquor to white liquor conversion are required in the paper and pulp industries. So it is necessary to find some new technology. Now come to the single cell assembly system made by Polymer and Process Engineering Department, IIT Roorkee. This is anode chamber and this is cathode chamber. The anode feed is the green liquor. This is the GL. This is for green liquor tank. The green liquor solution is fed. The green liquor solution is fed by one peristaltic pump to the. This is the delivery pipe. It is coming to the green liquor compartment. This is the green liquor compartment. And similarly, the white liquor solution is fed by another peristaltic pump. This is the second one peristaltic pump, and the solution is fed to the white color pipe. The solution is fed into the cathode compartment. And next, the two solutions, green liquor and white liquor, separately fills the two compartment separated by its one ion exchange membrane. Then the outlet of the green liquor, this green color pipe, and the white liquor outlet of white color pipe is connected to its own feed tank. This is the green liquor tank and this is the white liquor tank. The two anode and cathode is connected by one external power source. The red color is connected to the anode chamber, that means the green liquor compartment, and the black color, the negative charge is connected to the cathode chamber, which contains the NaOH or white liquor. In between two electrode cell, we have used one cation exchange membrane, which allows Na plus ion of green liquor to come to the cathode chamber. The Na plus ion is coming from anode to cathode compartment and produce NaOH under applied current density. This is how we can produce NaOH from green liquor. The repeated circulations of green liquor through anode helps to produce NaOH in cathode compartment. As the time goes, the concentrations of the NaOH increases and green liquor concentration decreases. This is the batch productions. To make it as continuous productions, we have connected 4 such type of EED cell. This is one cell pair. We will connect the 4 EED cell in a series. Let's go to the 4 EED cell pair connected in series. This is our 4 cell experimental setup. In each cell, one cation exchange membrane is there to separate anode and cathode compartment. 2 pumps for each cells total 8 number of cells, total 8 number of pumps have been used. All the flow rates are being controlled by the 8 number of rotometers. First, the green liquor is fed to the anode compartment of the first cell. This is the first cell, second, third and fourth. This is the first cell. First, the green liquor solutions from this tank is fed by a pump connected with the rotometer. This is the rotometer, and this solutions is going to the anode compartment of the first cell, and the outlet solutions is going to the second storage tank of green liquor. Such a way, green liquor solutions by a pump is fed, connected with rotometer, is fed to the second cell anode compartment, and the outlet of the second cell is coming to the storage tank 3, and from it all, in this way, all the green liquor passes through from one cell to last fourth number of cell. This is the first white liquor tank, and this is the second and third and the fourth, and at last we have connected, at last we have a hydrogen gas container. All the produces hydrogen gas from each cells is connected through a pipe, and the hydrogen gas will be collected in this hydrogen gas tank. This hydrogen gas can uses for this process industry. The power supply are connected in series connections. When the machines runs, as the electrochemical reactions occur in each EED cell, the cathode compartment produce hydrogen gas and anode compartment produce carbon dioxide and oxygen gas. We are interested to collect the hydrogen gas for another process industries like hydrogen gas fuel cell applications. This is how the initial taking distilled water converts to NaOH and gradually increases its concentrations. Up to the certain number of such connected EED cell pair, the concentrations of NaOH reaches maximum. This is all about NaOH productions from green liquor by using membrane electrodialysis or EED process. Thanks for watching.